bring to your stage, and trust me, I will. They love you.
प्यार की कश्ती में है, लहरों की मस्ती में है, पवन के शोर शोर में चले हम जोर जोर में, गगन से दूर।
खूबसूरती सादगी में ही है। जी हाँ, हमारे बीच है बहुत ही खूबसूरत अमीशा पटेल, जो कि स्वदेश AIA इवेंट के लिए यहाँ आई हुई हैं बे एरिया में। वेलकम टू योर इंडिया टीवी विद मी जसलीन। हाउ इज द ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस?
It's been fantastic so far. I've enjoyed interacting with you. You're the first one who actually asked me some fabulous questions. And I am so impressed with the kind of hard work everyone has put in, the kind of enthusiasm, and to be away from India and to see our Independence Day being celebrated on such a grand scale with everyone's passion and hard work is truly, truly endearing, and it warms my heart.
And good evening, Amisha ji. This is Jasleen Dhanuja from Your India TV. Welcome to the Bay Area, and thanks to the Association of Indo-Americans who has put together this fabulous event one more time to celebrate Swadesh, our Indian Independence Day. So, I have seen you, someone with Patel surname, very popular in US, but who has done Gadar, the Prem Katha, so successfully, and I know you got your special Filmfare Award for Gadar as well, So Gadar 1 and Gadar 2, so where you enacted a Punjaban so beautifully, a Gujarati girl enacting Punjabi,
Actually, Pakistani Muslim.
Yeah, but that was like so much of the Punjabi touch with Sunny Deol. I felt like you portrayed the character so well, Urja Kale Kama and all those Punjabi songs, So I would like to ask you, how did you blend it so well, maintaining the cultural diversity of our nation? As you rightly said, you portrayed that you run across all states of India so seamlessly. And then second question, since it was a sequel, how did you maintain the same freshness that you had in Gadar 1?
So thank you very much for that compliment. And now to answer your question, a little bit of my background. My surname, yes, says Patel, and when we go for visas, we have a separate line, especially for us. And I was studying at the Tufts University in Boston. I did my undergrad. I'm a gold medalist in economics from there. And thank you. They could pronounce my name, but they could pronounce Patel. And but for a little bit of information, I'm actually a blend of Maharashtrian, Sindhi and Gujarati. But I have never viewed myself as any of these. I've always thought of myself as just an Indian. And very proud that our country has such a diverse culture and diverse tradition, phonetics, language, food, religion. I pride myself in that. And I think I was so attached to Sakina when I read the character, when I heard the narration of the script. I was actually shooting for Kaho Na Pyar Hai, and 6 months into the film, I got a call from the producers of Gadar and Prem Katha, and they asked me whether I'd be interested in playing this character. And here I was, a college girl, fresh from university, playing my age in Kaho Na Pyar Hai, playing what I was, spoiled brat, the so-called Gen Z. And this was completely different. But somehow I connected with the soul of the character and the soul of the subject. And there was such an immense beauty and purity in the film, and in both the characters, and innocence of Tara and Sakina, that I felt this is my character in real life. And to go back to the question, how did I maintain the freshness? I think Sakina lives in me and I live in Sakina. If I had to just wear the costume and come right now, I think I'd make all of you my Tara Singh. I'll be Sakina immediately. But also in an industry that can so easily corrupt you, and more than the industry, in a world that's so easily corruptible, I think my song's strong sense of morals and values has kept me very grounded. I take success and failure with a pinch of salt. Both are the yin and yang of life. They're very important to teach you and keep you grounded. So I don't let success make me fly high. I don't let failure take me down. I just maintain the balance. And the child in me is always alive. Like if you ask me to describe yourself, I'll say I'm a child of gold. You know, I still love my teddy bears. I still love pink, and you know, all. I live in a little bubble of my own. So that has kept me very grounded and childlike, and I think that's what comes off on screen. You know, that's it.
It feels very, it warms my heart.
So even during the movie, you know, I still remember "Kaho Na Pyar Hai" में जब आपका moment था "कहा ना प्यार है." Can you say for our audience who love you?
कहा ना प्यार है.
So nice. So I also saw you in Mangal Pandey, The Rising with Amir Khan, and in Race 2, you know, and with so many other actors, you know, Akshay Kumar in Bhool Bhulaiya, Race 2, you know, so many great hits, Humraz, Bobby Deol, not just Sunny Deol, we all know. So कोई खास memories?
हर एक के साथ इतने अलग अलग मेमोरीज है, इतनी खूबसूरत मेमोरीज है मेरी जर्नी में, एंड देव ऑल बीन सच वंडरफुल पीपल टू वर्क विद. हर एक से मैंने कुछ ना कुछ सीखा है, यू नो, एंड आई गेस आई एम द सम ऑफ ऑल दैट लर्निंग.
तो लाइफ में जो इतने अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए हैं, उससे लेसन्स लर्नड जो हैं, क्योंकि ऑडियंस ऑल्सो टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम यू, वो क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
I think every up comes with a down, every down comes with an up. Peaks and valleys दुनिया की रीत है, you know, किसी की लाइफ ऐसे नहीं होती, हमेशा ऐसी होती है, लेकिन लाइफ एक लेवलर भी होती है. एंड आई थिंक हर मौका एक लर्निंग का मौका होता है. सो वी मस्ट व्यू इट इज दैट, ग्रो स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड learn the good, leave the bad behind, leave the baggage behind, and just go ahead with life.
Any upcoming projects you want to talk about?
Two very exciting projects which I'll be announcing very soon, and I think the audiences will be very happy to see me back in that kind of work. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Association of Indo-Americans, AIA, a big conglomerate of over 50 community organizations in the Bay Area, is bringing to you Swadesh, another year. Yes, we are going to celebrate the Indian Independence Day on 9th August with a huge parade in San Jose and a lot of fireworks through the night. Let's ask Vijaya Asuri, the lead of AIA, what's up?
Volunteer of AIA. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. And Jasleen ji, you said it really well. This year, Swadesh is huge, I would say. We've never seen an Indian Independence Day with tricolor fireworks, Tiranga fireworks, anywhere that, to our knowledge. So this year Swadesh is lit up, will be lit up completely in the sky. And the biggest aspect of it, the element of Swadesh, is the parade. It's literally the Grand India Day parade with almost 80 to 90 floats, walking groups, pickups, and dole performances, and the whole arena will be. The tricolors will fly in the arena because there are almost 1,000 to 1,500 tricolor scarves and dupattas are being given away that day. So it's going to be a beautiful sight to watch. And what is Swadesh without food? Chandni Chowk to Chowpatty, all the street foods, and along with it we have about 100 plus vendor booths selling not just selling, you know, sharing the Indian wealth and culture of having the clothes and jewelry, handloom, handicrafts, and all of this is embellished with flag raising and flag hoisting by our Consul General. And right after that, one program I request everybody to witness is Vijay Bharat. Vijay Bharat is a cultural tribute for 25 plus Indian states. So the performers from different states are coming and showcasing the pure classical and the festival tradition this year. So it's something not to miss. So I request everybody to tell your friends, families, and their friends, and just spread the word around, and let's celebrate India in its full glory in San Jose on August 9th in Discovery Meadow Park. And the parade will start from Adobe Building and it'll go for, you know, all around the city of San Jose. And you've always been a big part of it. I'm really looking forward to your support and the entire Indian community. Let's celebrate Swadesh.
গো কাছে ডেকে লাও ফিরায়ো না জননী বড় আশা করে এসেছি গো কাছে ডেকে লাও. And yes, to add, a little more tadka to the event will be given by not just Consul General of India, who will do the flag hoisting, and a host of dignitaries who will be gracing the occasion with their presence, including the San Jose Mayor, the Congressman, Ro Khanna, and several other dignitaries. But also, Vijaya Asuri is bringing, guess who?
My focus was
All I need to say is I've been associated with extremely patriotic films, played a variety of characters, and not only that, done films in Telugu, Tamil, and of course Hindi. So I think if people ask me, are you Gujarati, are you Maharashtrian, are you Punjabi, I just say I'm Indian and I'm proud to be a cocktail. So I can't just end with one thing saying, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद था, जिंदाबाद है और जिंदाबाद रहेगा। और हमारे अभी हिंदुस्तानी यहाँ भी, हर जगह भी, कोने कोने में हमारा नाम इतना रोशन कर रहे हैं that it's such a privilege. I feel I'm back home. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Amisha Patel.
fireworks on the parade. Yes.
Amisha Patel is coming, Shrikant Bola is coming, so you are getting the guests of honor,
Thank you,
who
thank
are
you.
everybody's favorite.
Yes.
So let's talk a little more about the Gadar heroine.
Yes.
And she was hit both in Gadar 1, Gadar 2, and of course, Kahona Pyare with Hrithik Roshan.
Yes.
So Sunny Deol and Hrithik Roshan, some of the great heroes, and she has really worked wonders with them.
Yes.
How did you choose Amisha Patel for this event?
We were trying to look for someone who's not been to Bay Area, someone who's who still looks so relevant, and not in terms of looks, in terms of the movies, the performances that she did, and the movies and the songs that we connect to. So even today, after 24 years, Kaho Na Pyar Hai and Amisha Patel, you cannot forget. Hrithik, we cannot forget. Even after 24 years, Gadar, and about 3 years back, the Gadar 2 still is fresh in our hearts. So the team of AIA decided to bring Amisha Patel, and of course, the legendary Shrikant Bolaji, he will also lead the parade. And most importantly, and this year is very important to India, so AIA is honoring the army forces, the military, the defense forces. They will be part of the parade as well.
Definitely, I think to have faith in myself that no matter what the hurdles and challenges life has to offer me, I'll overcome them. A sense of belief. And my grandmother, my late grandmother actually, every time I was down and out, I would go to her because wise people, old people always guide you. They've got the golden knowledge. And she told me, she said, Amisha, no matter what, don't ever lose your morals and values. The path of truth is a very difficult path. It's a longer path, but in the end it's the surest path. So it may take you longer to reach your goal, but ultimately you'll reach there. And I sleep very peacefully at night. And I think that's what's helped me stay relevant for an industry where 5 years for a girl, or any actor actually, especially when you're not a nepo kid, you don't belong to the film fraternity, you haven't been a star child, you haven't married into the film fraternity. 5 years is too much. And I've been here 25 years and counting, and I'm not ready to go yet. To put together so many of our key culture festivals and important dates in the year of our Indian culture, I think it's an honor for me to represent the country on such a spectacular platform and be chosen this year, completing 10 years of being the Grand Marshal today for the Independence Day. So it's a benchmark, it's a milestone, and I'm very proud to have been the chosen one. So thank you for having me. And I do a bit of yoga, I do a lot of swimming, badminton. I've always been very athletic. I'm a trained Bharatanatyam dancer from the age of 5.
Wow.
Yeah, I've done Bharatanatyam and everything. And I'm a gym rat. I love being in the gym, so I'm very active. And then my hyper nature just adds to all of that. So
very nice. Thank you so much. We'll see you again after this.
तूने प्यार यूं निभा के जिंदगी हो जिंदगी बदल दी.
there's a little bit of blessing because my grandmother and mother both have a fabulous complexion. But as they say, you can have a Rolls Royce, but if you don't maintain it, it can go completely and be completely rotten. But I do drink a lot of water. I eat my fruit. I have coconut water, and I have regular facials with the good dermat, a good salon in Bombay. I never sleep with my makeup on ever. I use a good nighttime moisturizer. The brand is Dermalogica, if you want to know. I use a serum of Clarins. And yeah, that's about it. And the good old tradition for the hair, you know, a mix of almond, coconut, olive oil, all our grandmother stories, what comes from the kitchen is actually best for you. You want to get rid of a tan, the haldi, besan routine. It's the best. But, you know, I also feel that a person's personality is something that is an encompassment, amalgamation of not only what you internally eat and drink. I've never done drugs, I don't smoke. I very rarely drink, like, you know, maybe a glass of wine now and then, just as a celebration. But also what you read, what thoughts you have, what company you keep, what is the kind of content you watch on television, the kind of mental stimulation you give yourself. Like, I'm someone who loves to go to museums, I'm a bookworm, I read a lot. And I like to surround myself with positive people, you know, and I think keeping a clean heart and clean thoughts with no cunningness, that definitely reflects on your mind. Yeah.
Well said, well said. Wow.
I'm very athletic in real life, so, you know, even training for it physically, emotionally would be a very different experience. So if someone has a great biopic or a lovely subject, it would be very encouraging to do it for sure. Like I said, it's all about getting the correct subjects and being excited about it, you know, as an actor.
Wonderful. Look forward to this ravishing event and join us to celebrate the spirit of India with Association of Indo-Americans Swadesh event in the heart of San Jose. Let's celebrate it together. Let's rock India in USA with AIA. Thank you, Vijay and your entire team of AIA to have brought the Indian spirit in the Bay Area.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jasleen, and a huge thanks to your entire team for making our events not just colorful, but for millions of the people. They get a chance to see what's happening in this continent. Yes.
And this is absolutely free event, right?
Yes, yeah. The parade is free. Yes.
And there is an entry ticket to the Mela.
Just the Mela, just a very basic, very basic ticket. Yes.
And how do these people grab that?
Yes, yeah. Please go to aia.events or aiaevents.org, or you can go to Sulekha. The very bare minimum basic, you can't even imagine how low the ticket is. Get the ticket. The idea is for all of you to come and enjoy and celebrate Indian Independence Day in Indian spirit.
Thank you.